Well, for some time now, there has been a growing narrative within NGOs involved in the drug addiction area, support groups for victims and so forth, that we need to look at an alternative model. Decriminalising the users of soft drugs is becoming a narrative and becoming a topic. And the Justice Committee were asked by Minister Aidan O'Riordan, who has a particular view in this area, to examine the possibilities of decriminalising. Part of that deliberations and discussions was a trip to Portugal to look at the Portuguese model and how it's working. The Portuguese have a certain approach where they look at people who are using soft drugs as having health challenges as opposed to it being a justice issue. They've also looked at decriminalising the use of soft drugs, or at least not charging people and bringing people through the whole court system. Now, there's a lot of anecdotal evidence in Ireland that students in particular have dabbled with soft drugs over the years. Some have got caught, some have been brought to court, and some of them have been convicted. Although they may never have gone to prison, it is a criminal offence, it's on their record, and then in 10 or 15 years' time, when they're trying to get particular types of jobs or maybe try and get access to the United States and so forth, that this comes up as an issue. And we felt that it was quite unfair that somebody at 17 years of age who may have had cannabis, may have been caught using cannabis, would necessarily have a criminal record that in a guard of vetting check 10 years down the line for a job would come against them. So I suppose the whole narrative and deliberations about decriminalisation is something that is gaining momentum. I suppose as a result then of the Justice Committee's trip to Portugal and of the oral hearings and the very, very competent witnesses who across the board from all the NGOs were coming up to the same view that we need to have this discussion. The Justice Committee recommended to the Minister that further research would be done and that the model of decriminalising should be looked at. It was a complex report, but really and truly it was only like sowing the seed for a discussion that will happen and evolve hopefully over the next few years, and we'll see where that brings us, but hopefully it will bring us to a better place.